Hey guys, welcome back in this third video. And in the first video we have learnt about what is market, types of market and the definition of market. In the second video we have learnt about what is stock and what is share. In this third video we are going to cover new topic which is called stock market. Now you cannot go to any medical stores and ask to buy for 100 shares of SBI because they are not authorized to sell them. So from where you can buy this SBI's 100 shares? You can buy this SBI's 100 shares from special market, and that special market is called stock market. Stock market is a place from where you can buy any listed company shares. Listed company, it means those company shares already available on the stock market, or in other words you could say those companies are already registered into stock market. So in this video we have learnt about what is stock market. In the next video we are going to cover stock exchanges. So keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much.